Most games on Google Play that claim to pay real money don't actually pay you for playing the game itself. They pay you for actions like installing apps, completing offers, or reaching milestones inside advertiser-funded campaigns. By the end of this, you'll know 5 types of Google Play games that generate real cash rewards, how their payout systems actually work, and what decides whether earnings feel consistent or almost impossible to cash out. Start with how these games really make money. They're funded by advertisers and app publishers who pay for installs, engagement, or user activity. The game acts as the middle layer between you and the advertiser. So your earnings come from marketing budgets, not gameplay value. First category is reward-based puzzle games. These games give points for completing levels or advancing through stages, and those points can later be exchanged for cash rewards inside the app. Second category is offer wall game apps. These apps show lists of sponsored games. You install and try them, and rewards are triggered after completing specific in-game requirements. Third category is competitive cash game apps. These games run skill-based tournaments where payouts depend on your ranking compared to other players. Fourth category is milestone progression games. These apps reward you for reaching specific levels or objectives, meaning earnings depend on how far you progress rather than how long you play. Fifth category is hybrid reward gaming platforms. These apps combine puzzles, tournaments, and offer-based rewards into one system, so earnings come from multiple types of in-game activity. Now here's what actually decides whether these apps feel like they pay well. Offer availability is the biggest factor. Some games rotate promotions constantly, so earning opportunities change over time. Skill level also matters in competitive games. Higher-ranked players tend to earn more because rewards depend on performance. And payout thresholds matter a lot. Some apps require you to accumulate a large balance before you can withdraw anything, which slows down real cash access. So, highest-paying games aren't really about fixed payouts. They're about how often offers appear, how quickly you progress, and how easily you can withdraw earnings. Summary: Google Play games that pay real money rely on advertiser funding, not gameplay income. Earnings depend on offer availability, skill level, and payout thresholds. Consistency matters more than the game itself. Next step: try one reward-based game and track how long it takes to reach your first cash-out milestone, before deciding if it's actually worth your time. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of apps that actually pay without hype or unrealistic earning claims.